Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today let's dive deep into the heart of Goan cuisine with a dish that's as vibrant as Goa itself. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to create a curry that's sweet, tangy and completely irresistible. This traditional curry is specially made during the mango season when small, suckable mangoes called Ghotanche are available. These are pulpy and juicy fibrous mangoes that are sweet and sometimes also slightly sour. The curry made from these mangoes has a nice sweet, sour and mildly spicy flavor. Our recipe for today is delicious mango curry, also called Mango Sasav or Ghotanche Sasav. Step 1. Preparing the mangoes. Select 8 to 9 ripe and pulpy suckable fibrous mangoes. These are generally small in size and are called Ghotanche in Goa. Wash the mangoes properly before removing the skin. Peel off their skin and discard it. Place the mangoes in a plate. Lightly squeeze the mangoes and collect the juice to add in the gravy. Squeezing the mangoes will open up the fibers and help in releasing the juice when the mangoes are cooked. Mangoes are ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take half-inch size ball of tamarind in a bowl. Let it soak in half cup or 120 ml of warm water. Take 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Take 4 cloves of garlic and cut it into small pieces. Take 4 Kashmiri red chilies. Cut it into smaller pieces. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaggery or sugar, depending on your taste preference, few curry leaves or curry patta, 2 teaspoons of salt. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind with water. Add the cumin or jeera seeds. Add the garlic pieces. Add the Kashmiri red chilies. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the coriander seeds. Add the grated coconut. You may need to add 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water while grinding. Grind to a medium fine paste. It should not be ground very smooth, nor should it be very coarse. Use 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water to remove the paste left in the mixer and add it in the curry. Our curry paste is ready. Step 4. Preparing the mango curry. On medium heat, in an open, thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add asafoetida or hing powder. Add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir everything properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Add the mangoes. Stir them nicely.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
After a minute, add the curry paste. Stir everything properly. If you want it spicy, then you can replace 2 Kashmiri red chilies with 2 Bedgi red chilies. If you want the color of the curry to be yellowish, then you can add red button chilies, which are the local Goan chilies, instead of Kashmiri or Bedgi chilies. Add half the quantity of salt now and keep the remaining to add later. Add 1 cup or 240 ml of water. Add the jaggery or sugar. Stir everything properly. You will need to adjust the quantity of jaggery or tamarind based on the sweetness or sourness of your mangoes or ghotanche. Add half cup or 120 ml of water. Stir everything properly. Now add the remaining quantity of salt. Mix everything properly. Cover the pan and bring it to a boil. When the curry is boiling, open the cover. Stir everything nicely. Check for salt, sweetness, sourness and add anything that is required. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 6 to 7 minutes or until the mangoes are cooked.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
This curry is a celebration of the mango season and is perfect for any festive occasion or a simple family meal together. Enjoy the authentic taste of Goa with this delicious curry. Enjoy it hot with rice, bread or chapati. Delicious mango curry or mango sasav is ready. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.